The Seeker falcon is a large species of falcon. Baboons are some of the world's largest monkeys and male of different species average from 33 to 82 pounds. An alligator is a large reptile in the crocodilia. Grasshoppers are a group of insects belonging to the suborder Calliphera. Rabbits are small mammals with fluffy short tails, whiskers and distinctive long ears. Crows are one of the most innocent animals who are very harmless. Gores are found in evergreen forests. A beaver is a large rodent. It is semi-aquatic. Flamingos are very social birds. They live in colonies whose population can number in the thousands. Koalas are a type of mammal called marsupial, which give birth to underdeveloped young. Penguins are flightless birds with flippers instead of wings. Polar bear, great white northern bear found throughout the Arctic region. Rooster is a male chicken. Rooster can become overly aggressive with hens. Bug is type of invertebrate animals that belong to the class Insecta. Fly-catching bird slightly smaller than a house sparrow. Walrus lives in the seasonally ice-covered northern waters of Canada. A ladybird is a small round beetle that is red with black spots. The hedgehog is a short and stout-legged mammal that is sometimes called a pincushion with legs. Hornets are large social wasps that tend to be black or brown with yellow or yellowish markings. Pigs are also known as hogs or swine. Pigs are much smarter than dogs. Rhinos are large, heavy animals found in Southeast Asia across Africa. Ducks are birds in the family Anatidae. They live near ponds, rivers, and lakes. Langur lives in high trees and has a herbivorous diet of fruit, leaves, seeds, buds, and flowers. Chipmunks are small mammals that live in burrows, fallen logs, or holes under houses. Donkeys belong to a family of animals known as equines. They have a friendly and quiet characters. A dove is a bird that looks like a pigeon but is smaller and lighter in color. The horse is an animal belonging to the family of Equidae and class Mammalia. Owls are called raptors, which means they use sharp talons and curved bills to hunt, kill, and eat other animals. Hamsters are small rodents that have stout bodies. Their legs are stubby and stocky legs, and their ears are small. Parakeets are one of the most vocal birds in the parrot family. A fox is a small mammalian carnivore. They hunt and eat live prey, mostly rabbits and rodents. Wolf is large, four-legged carnivorous mammal.